In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video to X, also known as Twitter, from your desktop in just a few simple steps. If you've ever wanted to share a video from your computer instead of your phone, this is the easiest way to do it. Whether you're posting content for your audience, sharing a clip with friends, or uploading a promo video for your brand, this guide will walk you through the entire process clearly and quickly. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Then sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the home page, look for the Post Composer. This is the box where you normally type a post, and it's the starting point for uploading your video. Click inside the Composer so you can begin creating a new post. Next, look for the media icon. This is usually the small photo or video icon at the bottom of the post box. Click that icon to open your computer's file picker. Now browse through your files and select the video you want to upload. Once you've found the right file, click Open or Select, depending on your computer. After that, X will begin uploading your video. At this stage, all you need to do is wait for the upload to finish. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so be patient and let the process complete. While it uploads, you can stay on the page and make sure nothing interrupts the connection. Once the upload is done, your video will appear in the Composer preview. Take a moment to review everything carefully before posting. Make sure the video looks correct, the caption says what you want, and there are no mistakes in the upload. You can also add text, hashtags, or mentions if needed before sharing it. When everything looks good, go ahead and click Post. Your video will then be published to X and visible to your followers, or to the public depending on your account settings. And that's it! You've just learned how to upload a video to X from desktop. It only takes a few steps once you know where to click, and now you can post videos straight from your computer anytime you want. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.